Now, we're always talking about the nanoparticulates that are coming out of the back of these planes, out of the sprayers, out of the drones, out of the ships. There's a never-ending supply of these nanoparticulates that are flowing all over the place. Back in June 8, 2015, they're talking about 20 billion nanoparticles talk to the brain using electricity. Electricity is the brain's language, and now we can speak to it without wires or implants. How? Nanoparticulates. Nanoparticles can be used to simulate regions of the brain's electricity, opening up new ways to treat brain diseases or maybe implant thoughts. It may even one day allow the routine exchange of data between computers and the brain. You know, this is the Neuralink. This is definitely what they've been doing. So a material discovered in 2004 makes this possible when magnoelectric nanoparticles, or they're called MENS, are stimulated by an external magnetic field. They produce an electric field. If such nanoparticles are placed next to the neurons, this electric field could show them or allow them to communicate. That's what I say. Everything, this is right here tells you how the 5G is basically going to affect brain waves. You know, everybody's body is made of frequencies. So like when the MENS are exposed to even an extremely low frequency magnetic field, they generate their own local electric field at the same frequency. In turn, the electric field can directly couple to the electricity circuitry of the neural network. That's one of the parts of why they're spraying this crap. They want to be able to control us and implant thoughts into your minds. I mean, this stuff it's been coming out for a long time. We're seeing it drip out every day of their plans. And be safe out there, man. No fear, armor up. That's all you got to do is armor up. Speak out, no fear, and see if we can make a difference. Anyway, guys, much love. Here we go. Let's play this song called Rise.